Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am on my way.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Where is your bag?
It is on the table.
How is the weather?
It is very hot.
Is it yours?
Yes, it belongs to me.
What's in your hand?
It's a bottle of water.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I completed it last night.
Do you like this dress?
Yes, it looks very nice.
Why are you late?
The bus was delayed.
Who was calling you?
It's my mom.
What time is it?
It is 6 o'clock.
Where is your phone?
It's in my pocket.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, it's very chilly today.
Do you want some tea?
No, thank you.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Why are you upset?
I lost my favorite pen.
What's the matter?
I am just feeling tired.
Did you talk to him?
Yes, I spoke to him yesterday.
Why did you come here?
I came to meet my friend.
Do you need help?
No, I can manage it.
Where is the train station?
It's right next to the market.
How is your dad?
He is doing well, thank you.
Are you done?
Yes, I just finished.
Do you need any help in packing?
I can do it by myself, thank you.
Where is your sister?
She is in the kitchen.
Who is standing there?
That's my neighbor.
How was your trip?
It was wonderful.
Why are you so quiet?
I am just thinking.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
How is your mom?
She is feeling much better.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need help with?
What did you eat for lunch?
I had rice and vegetables.
Who is sitting there?
That's my uncle.